Okay, so this is a recording to help you understand how to find Blogger and then create and set up your Blogger for English 091. So from your GCC email account, you're going to click over here on this grid in the upper right-hand corner. And when you go into that, you will click More. And it might be that Blogger will be listed here when you go in, but as you'll see on mine, it is not, which then you need to click here in the middle where it says Even More from Google. And at that point, it will take you to all of the products that are available, and we are going to scroll down almost all the way to the bottom to the section that says Social, and we'll click over here where it says Blogger, and this will take us into our Blogger. Now, you'll see that I already have one blog set up that I've used for my English 101 class. Yours will most likely just be blank unless you've already set up a blog for whatever reason. You'll see over here on the left is a button that says New Blog, and that is where you will click to create your blog for English 091. Now you're going to give your blog a title. This can be a unique title that has your name in it or says something that you want as it relates to your blog. I'm going to call mine Writer for Life. And then this is where you need to give it your address. As the instructions indicate in Canvas, I suggest that you use your MEID, as that is an address that should be available since that's an ID that is unique to you. I already have one that uses my MEID, so instead I'm going to call this Prof. Murphy Writes and see if that's available. I'm going to click down here where it says Simple, and it does tell me here this blog address is available. If you put your MEID there, .blogspot.com, that should be available as well, again, since that's a unique ID for you. This template option here allows you to pick an option to as to how your blog will look and be formatted as far as the template. I'm just going to keep it here on the simple one to get my blog started, and then I'll simply click the Create Blog button here at the bottom. Once I do that, it's going ahead and creating my blog for me. It asks me if I want to find a domain name. I don't want to do that at this time, so I'm just going to click No Thanks. And you'll see now I am in my blog. Here's the title that I gave my blog, Writer for Life. You'll see that I don't have any information in here, but I have established my blog. If I click over here where it says My Blogs, then I will now see that I have my new blog that I just created, Writer for Life, which has no post, and then I have the other blog that I had already had in there. And that's it. Now you guys can go create your blogs in Blogger.